Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and DGM freaks? Welcome back to the channel. So now I know the question that everyone in retail is asking right now. Should I buy some Bitcoin at these prices? Is it too high? Am I buying the top? Well, guess what, guys? I'm here to tell you, no, you still have some time. And I'm going to show you the chart that gives you this data so you don't have to freak out. You don't have to think that you're going to get rugged. You're going to have a clear time trajectory of when you can still be buying Bitcoin right now and feel okay about it. And also to remind you guys that Bitcoin right now is heating up. It is in a parabolic run right now. But if you go under Bitcoin and you realize that we're going to have a shifting of profits and liquidity coming out of Bitcoin into Ethereum and into the altcoins. But I know you guys were more worried about Bitcoin right now, so we're going to go into the charts and we're going to show you why it is not too late and it is still okay to buy Bitcoin at these prices, even though Bitcoin just touched $90,000 last night while everyone was freaking sleeping. And no one gives a rip. Retail doesn't even understand that this is happening right now. Now, why would it be the perfect time to buy right now? Well, I'm going to show you a chart. I'm going to show you this chart that is going to give you the measured move of what a bull run and a bull cycle looks like. What you have to do is you have to go to the daily on a Binance chart. You could even do this on the Bitstamp chart, but you do it on the Binance chart. And you're going to go and look at all of the points where we've had a halving year and a recovery year for the Bitcoin halving cycle, which is 4 years. So you can see here, we had in 2017, from the bottom, a parabolic move of 300 to 400% to the upside. Second parabolic move from this 2020 bull run from the bottom was another 400% move to the upside from the bottom in September. Now you take it from here and you go from September, from this point right here, that same point, and you're gonna get the same measured move, about 400% to the upside historically, which is going to give you a price of $350,000 per Bitcoin. This is where you need to start thinking about taking profits. People are right now on the feed saying, should I take profits right now? I'm like, no. Are you crazy? Are you insane? Like, no. Look, do your research, study the charts, study the Bitcoin halving, study the 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle. This is why Michael Saylor, if you're familiar with Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy, what they did to implement this Bitcoin strategy, they studied the halving. They saw that, look, we've had parabolic runs and banana zones where the price just looks like a banana. It just zoom, it goes right up. There's retracements, of course, but look, when it retraces, people think it's over. I bet right here when it went to 20K and then retraced down to 15, they were like, it's over, it's done. I bet when it went to 41K and it went to 28K, everyone was like, it's over. I remember when it went to 42K and retraced all the way back down to 29. People were like, yep, bull market's over, bull run's over, we're toast. And then it went to all-time highs and double topped and went all the way to 62,000. Now, this is how this is going to react. We're going to get a push all the way to 100K, might retrace down. I think it's going to go to 150K by the end of the year. I think we're going to get 150K by the end of the year, and then we get that retracement just like it looks like here, and then we're going to pump up even more. This is how you are going to build resilience in this market. You're going to know when you should be taking profits, when you can still be DCAing in to Bitcoin and into the altcoins, because once we get up here, guys, I'm telling you, I don't know if you're going to be able to handle it. But if you have a plan and a strategy and you've been watching this channel, you will be able to handle it. Because, guys, we're not going to F it up this time. We're not going to F it up this time. If you came from the last cycle, from the last bull cycle like we did in 2021, there were so many black swans. There were so many knees being chopped out, just knees being busted, ankles being broken. Oh my gosh, we had so many things to distract us and make us fail in the markets. 98% of you guys didn't make it out alive. Only 2% of people actually made it out alive. Now, we're going to increase that ratio this time because if you're watching this channel, you're going to be in that 2%, that 5% of people that are going to make it. I hope it gets to 10. I hope people wake their butts up and start to realize that they got to do something or they're going to get smacked by the debasement of the US dollar currency and also with inflation. And I'm just telling you right now, this is the moment. This is the time to get serious, to get locked in, to understand that we have so much more room to go, much higher. I want you guys to retire your entire bloodline this bull run, okay? You don't need a bunch of indicators. You don't need a paid group. You don't need to waste your money on trying to get the alpha. I'm giving it to you for free right now. This is all you need. You need one chart. Look at this. That's it. 4-year cycle, 4-year halving, cycle years 2017, quarter 4, 215%. Look, 2020, 168%. We're in the end of the quarter 4 for this year. It's at 35%. How much higher do you think it's going to go by looking at the halving year cycles and what we have historically done in the halving years and the halving months? 2017, look at the last 3 months. Look at the last 3 months in 2020. Look at the last 3 months in 2024. It's right in front of your face. Don't make it complicated. Don't overcomplicate it. Make it simplified, and you will become a millionaire as long as you follow this thesis. And that's all I got to say. I'll see you on the live later today.